period when and I would have little controversies pop up, and I was obsessively Googling, and then you can Google within the last hour, within the last 24 hours to see the latest thing. I do way less of that now because it doesn't, you want to be aware of things, but ultimately it doesn't matter what they're saying. It's like me if I know the truth. And I think for me, it's a delicate balance of being open to feedback that's constructive because for me, it's important to be open to constructive feedback. And my fans who love me and understand me have that for me. So when I know it's in good faith, I'm going to listen. But then when people just want to sort of tear you down and it's not constructive, then I don't engage. But there is something, you have to listen to the people. You have, there's a delicate balance, though, because I think, you get out of touch. And I know now, after all these years, how easy it is to get out of touch being in this business. But if you just listen to people, they'll tell you where they are, and they'll tell you what you need to be doing. Sometimes, and with discernment, you'll discover what is in good faith and what you should take, and then other things that you let go of. This isn't my first rodeo with streaming and with those kinds of numbers. It's just, I'm so grateful to still be here, and I'm so grateful to be doing work that I think is important with incredible colleagues, this cast is insane. I'm Martin Scorsese, Keanu Reeves, Jonah Hill, Cameron Diaz, Matt Bomer, Roy Wood Jr. It goes on, David Spade. In the story, when I read the script, I just thought it was so smart and I'd never seen anything like it before, and which is wild that we've especially over the past few years when we've really gotten an inside look into crisis PR and what that looks like, that we've never had a movie like this. And so it's so smart. And what Virginia, my character, gets to say is some of the smartest, most brilliant things that I've ever gotten to say on camera. I play Virginia, and she's one of the attorneys that Ira, played by Jonah Hill, brings on as part of the crisis PR team for Reeves, with whom he has his scandal. So I'm there to fix it. I'm like Olivia. I'm not a different Olivia Pope. I'm kind of like Olivia Pope. Yeah.